Hey guys, we're here with World of RV Parts. Today we're going to talk about the Suburban SF-30FQ 2391A. It's a ducted RV furnace for campers, motorhomes, and travel trailers. It is a 30,000 BTU furnace. When you order the 2391A, it does come with the case and the unit itself and a new vent. You will want to buy some putty and some silicone to reseal around the exhaust vent when you put it back on, because you will want to replace it. Don't use the existing one. It's probably rusted up anyways. Time to replace it. And this is a direct replacement for the SF-30FQ. If you guys have any questions about it, it's electric ignition, 30,000 BTU. The exhaust and intake tube is 3/8. Minimum opening side duct area is 36 square inches. The minimum number of side ducts used, meaning this is how many you should be using at a bare minimum, is 3. So unless you have the bottom cut out and is being utilized as a central air. The side duct size on it is 4 inches, and it's a minimum open top and bottom duct area of 56 square inches each. So if you guys have any questions about this furnace, break-in period, stuff like that, when you first install this furnace, you want to make sure that your motorhome is properly ventilated. Open up the windows and the vents, and you don't want to stay inside of it while it's first running, because it is going to emit a smell that's kind of bad, and you don't want to breathe that stuff. You do want to monitor it, though, with the first time you fire it up. Make sure you've got it all wired properly, no gas leaks, and